We going. So this is the intro for the video. My cousin here, the owner of the IS300, we've been doing work on for a while. He's gonna break it down for us and let us know everything he's gonna do to it, what are his plans for the future, and what he's just expecting out of the whole build.
Yeah, so I had the car for about almost 2 years. Pretty much the reason why I started was I didn't want to keep it stock anymore, and I wanted to change the color, so I might as well just do wide body and a full body.
He just said might as well go all out. Right. Dude could have just put wheels on it and called it a day. Tell him about the color. Why'd you pick pink, and what made you go that route?
Just pink. I don't know. I just really like. It's really aesthetic to me, so I'm just gonna do pink.
Reminds me of the overdue pink IS300.
Yeah, it's gonna be a pink. It's a light pink base coat with blue metallic mid coat. It's gonna be a 3-stage.
If you guys don't know, his Instagram page is Young Refinisher. I'm gonna link it right there. He's a painter too, so this guy's been getting it for a while, and he's gonna be spraying this whole car himself. I'm just helping him with like minor stuff.
So pretty much right now, what we got done was the shaving of the door moldings. So it's gonna be a flush finish on the door.
Yeah, no transitions, just straight, smooth. Yeah, I think the next kit is the wide body kit. Yeah, the wide body kit's next. Tell them what wide body we're gonna do.
Monster Service front and rear flare. It's gonna be bolted. It's not gonna be like molded or nothing. Like
yeah, we're just doing like the basic, nice bolt-on look, but it's gonna look sick because as of right now, he has an idea on the wheels he wants to run. So he's kind of in a mix of a stancy build or a meaty kind of like track look, you know. So we're still debating on that, but we'll see what's up depending on his body kit and
yeah, body kit. You know, I'm still a little bit undecided on that.
He's got a lot of options, especially since there's a decent amount of body kits out there for IS300. So follow him on Instagram and make sure you keep up with all the updates. He's gonna be doing a lot of updates.
Yeah, I'm gonna be posting a lot on my Instagram about car stuff.
Yeah, he posts a lot of refinished work from his job.
Yeah, and the build too.
Yeah, and the build. So you'll get the best of both worlds.
Got it bumping.
So we're gonna shave the body side moldings how we did on my car. We're just gonna fill this and we're gonna do smooth body work on the whole door. All 4 doors are gonna be smoothened out. Tuck the body lines. So we're gonna prep those and get those ready for filler. And he's gonna get the rest of the car ready for the Bondo work. And then jamming. Got some used doors. Way better condition than the last. We'll jam those, spray it, throw them on. That one right there too. We got some freshly painted jams right here from the paint god himself. We got all 4 doors. He jammed them already, got them sprayed. Now we're just gonna slap them on because he prepped the outer surface for the body line shaving. So all this is gonna pretty much be body worked in. So he grinded all that on 4 doors. So all of them pretty much ready to go, and they're pink. So let me know what you guys think about the color. That's what he ended up going with. So
Really got it bumping.
So quick breakdown on how the material is gonna go on the doing fiberglass first. This is just short strand kitty hair, and then we're gonna be filling like an eighth of this body line. So on IS300s, these are not very deep lines. So like I said, it's like an eighth. All we're doing is skim coating 2 coats of kitty hair on this. The kitty hair is just gonna stiffen up the metal in the middle, so our body filler could be on this area back here while the middle stays firm, and that's just gonna stiffen up the filling a lot more. So this is what we got. I got Roberto short strand, and we're gonna do that to all 4 doors. And after we sand that off, we're gonna be doing filler work with Bondo. So pretty much just gonna, I'm not really gonna walk you guys through it too much. It's just gonna be kind of like a quick time lapse on the filling, the sanding, shit like that.
Got it bumping, bumping.
We got some self-etch primer. This one's for bare metal on the doors, because my primer isn't direct to metal, so I have to put this first.
It's a corrosion protection pretty much,
yeah.
And it makes the primer stick. So you want to make sure you have that on all bare metal before you put actual primer, unless the primer's DTM. And that's already 2-to-1 mixed, so it's just a 1K etch primer. You could do the 2-part if you wanted to, but
got it bumping, bumping.
Second cone, huh?
Let me see that whole gun setup you got going on. It's a quick connect. Show them how to quick connect it. Mama knows.
Bumping. bumping.